In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out who read your messages on WhatsApp group chat. Open up the WhatsApp app on your phone, go into the group chat that you're wanting to find out who read your messages. Your messages will be highlighted in the green colour if you're using an Android phone. Hold down your finger on one of your messages and you should notice on the top bar there is an option that has an I letter in it. Tap on this. At the very top you should see read by, and this tells you the people that have read your messages. It also tells you how long ago the person has read your message. The option below which says delivered to means that the message has been delivered to these people but they have not read it yet, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.